Welcome to Asim Code. Looking for more coding tutorials? Hit like, subscribe, and let's keep building your skills. Data Analysis AI Agent. This script creates an AI-powered data analysis agent capable of interpreting natural language queries about a dataset. The agent integrates OpenAI's language model with Pandas for intuitive data exploration. It generates a synthetic dataset representing car sales and allows users to ask questions about the data. The main components include 1. A synthetic dataset with car sales details. 2. A Pandas DataFrame to store and manipulate data. 3. A LangChain-based agent that processes natural language queries. 4. A function to interact with the agent and extract insights from the dataset. The script demonstrates how to use AI to analyze structured data, how to create a chatbot for ad hoc data queries, how to integrate OpenAI models with Pandas, import necessary libraries, provides a way to interact with the operating system, such as setting environment variables, allows creating AI agents for Pandas DataFrame analysis. Contains the agent type class, which helps define the type of agent we use. Provides an interface to OpenAI's models, such as GPT-4o. A powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. Use for numerical operations, such as generating random numbers. Handle date and time calculations. Load environment variables. Dodenv helps load API keys and other secrets from a .env file. Reads key-value pairs from a .env file and loads them into the environment. Sets OpenAI API key to allow GPT-4o access. ensures that random data generation produces consistent results each time the script runs. Define the number of rows for the synthetic dataset. This controls the size of our generated dataset. Define the start date for generating dates. We begin from January 1, 2022. Generate a list of dates increment daily. Using a list comprehension to create a list of 1,000 dates, each increasing by 1 day. Define categorical options for the dataset. These lists contain possible values for different columns, simulating real-world data. Create a dictionary containing the synthetic dataset. Each key represents a column, and each value is an array of randomly generated data. Convert the dictionary into a Pandas data frame and sort by date. The data frame provides a structured way to store and manipulate the dataset. Displays sample data. Printing a preview of the dataset to verify its structure. Display data frame information. This provides an overview of the dataset, including column names, data types, and memory usage. Display summary statistics. Generates statistical summaries, such as mean, min, max, and standard deviation. Create the Pandas DataFrame agent. This agent allows us to interact with the dataset using natural language queries. Indicate that the agent is ready. This message lets the user know they can begin asking questions. Define a function to interact with the agent. This function allows users to ask questions and get responses. Calls the AI agent to process the query. prints the question. Displays the AI-generated response. Separator for readability. Example questions. These are sample queries to demonstrate the agent's capabilities. I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.